Hello everyone! So today I will be presenting a statistical analysis comparing the impact of online versus face-to-face classes on students' test scores. This study aims to determine the impact of online classes versus face-to-face classes on student performance. This study utilized using an online survey form where 30 respondents participated in both online and face-to-face classes from freshman students of National University. This ensures that we are comparing the same students across the both learning modes. So here, you can see the recorded test scores for both online and face-to-face classes along with the calculated differences for each student. Since the same students were evaluated in both conditions, we use a paired sample t-test. This test compares the means of two related groups to determine if there is a statistically significant difference. For the data analysis process, first we determine the hypothesis. We have two hypotheses, the null hypothesis and the alternative hypothesis. The null hypothesis states that there is no significant difference in mean scores between online and face-to-face classes, while the alternative hypothesis states that there is a significant difference in the mean score between online and face-to-face classes. After we defined the hypothesis, we computed the difference by subtracting the online scores from the face-to-face scores for each student. Then, after computing the differences, we calculated the mean of the difference. After computing the differences, we calculated mean of the differences, the standard deviation, the sample size, the t-statistic, and the p-value. I will show you how we calculated the mean of the differences, the standard deviation, the t-statistic, and the p-value. So, to calculate the mean difference, this is our re- respondents. So, we have 30, 30 respondents. Online score of the respondents, the face-to-face score of the respondents. Then, hahanapin natin yung difference, yung mean difference. So, ang kailangan natin gawin is ipag-subtract yung online score sa face-to-face score. So, equals tuloy natin to kasi ito yung ima-minus natin. B2 minus, ima-minus natin sa face-to-face score. So, ito. Then, enter. So, ito yung sagot. 4 minus 4 equals 0. Then, idadrag natin siya pababa para makuha natin lahat hanggang 30. Hanggang until dun sa pang 30 na respondents. So, ito yung differences. This is the differences. So, kailangan naman natin ngayon is kunin yung mean, yung total. Ang gagawin natin is, kunin muna pala natin yung total equals sum, then, dadrag natin, oy, mali. Mali, wait lang. Dadrag natin siya hanggang dito. Then, press enter. So, ang total niya is 5. So, nakuha na natin yung total niya. Then, pag sinabi pala nating n, iyon yung kung ilan yung respondents or yung sample sizes. So, ang respondents natin is 30. So, Rn is 30. So, to get the mean difference, we will use this formula. Equals average, open parenthesis, then click difference, drag down hanggang sa 30, then enter. So, this is our mean difference. Let's proceed to the formula. Mean of the difference is equals to summation of difference over n. So, itong numerator natin is the total difference, which is 5. Then, ang ating n is the respondents, kung ilan yung respondents. So, ang respondent natin is 30. So, 5 over 30 is equals to 0.166. So, ito ang ating mean difference. To get the standard deviation of difference, we will first do this. We will subtract the difference to the mean difference. So, equals difference minus the mean difference. So, the mean difference is 0.166. Then, press enter. This is the answer. So, idadrag lang natin to pababa hanggang sa 30 para makita natin yung sagot. Then, eto na lahat yung sagot. Then, after that, para makuha natin yung nasa numerator ng formula sa standard deviation of difference, this one, eto, i-square natin siya. So, equals, then square. Square. Then, press enter. So, ito na yung sagot niya. Pag square natin siya, ito ang sagot. So, katulad ng ginawa sa una, idadrag din natin pababa para kita natin lahat ng sagot. So, ito na siya lahat. After nyan, ito, this one, i-add natin. So, paano? Equals, sum, then, pindutin natin to, drag, pababa, dahil ito yung i-add natin. Yan. Then, press enter. So, ito na yung total. This is the total. So, ito na yung numerator sa formula ng standard deviation of difference. Let's proceed to the standard deviation of difference formula. So, the formula is SD, standard deviation, is equals to square root of summation difference minus mean of the difference, mean difference rather, squared over n minus 1. So, nakuha na natin yung numerator ng standard deviation sa Excel. So, i-input na lang natin siya. Equals 8.1667 over our n is 30. Since n is 30, since yung respondent natin is 30, then minus 1 is equals to 29. So, ang ating denominator is 29. May square root to. Bakit nakalimutan? Is equals to, ang first nating isa-solve ay itong nasa loob ng square root. So, equals square root ulit 0.2816. Then, isa-solve na natin itong square root. Is equals to 0.53. So, this is our standard deviation of difference. Then, we will calculate the t statistic. So, ang ginamit natin is paired t-test. So, ang formula ng t-value is t is equals to mean difference over standard deviation square root of n is equals to our mean difference 0.1667 over our standard deviation 0.53, then the respondents or the sample size 30 is equals to 0.1668. Copy lang ang numerator. Then, itong sa-solve natin first equals 0.0968. Then, isa-solve na natin to is equals to 1.72. So, dito, in-square root muna natin to. Kinuha muna natin yung square root ng 30. Then, after natin makuha yung square root ng 30, ito na ang sinolve natin parehas. So, ito yung answer niya. Then, after makuha, ito naman ang kasunod nating sinolve. Then, ang lumabas is 1.72. So, this is our t statistic 1.7. And to get the p-value, the p-value, we will use this formula. Equals t dot test, open parenthesis, then the online score hanggang sa 30, then the face-to-face score, ganun din hanggang sa 30, then choose kung one-tailed distribution or two-tailed distribution. So, tayo ay two-tailed distribution. So, number 2. Then, ang gamit din natin is paired t-test. So, number 1. Then, close parenthesis, then enter. So, this is our p-value. To interpret the p-value is 0.096, which is greater than 5% level of significance. This means that we failed to reject the null hypothesis. Therefore, based on this data, on the data that we gathered, there is no statistically significant difference in test scores between online and face-to-face classes. In conclusion, This study showed that there is no significantly difference between online classes and face-to-face classes on students' test score. However, further research with a larger sample size may provide more insights. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this analysis helpful. Bye-bye!